There's so much happening here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I want to make sure that I'm providing you with all the major updates. Hi, I'm Evan Whaley, your favorite Greenville realtor. Let's talk about what's happening here in Greenville. The first thing I want to talk about is BMW investing over $200 million here in the upstate. They're going to bring 200 more jobs. Overall, BMW has done a lot of activity. They've invested a ton here in the upstate, and they've really facilitated a lot of growth here. What they're doing now is they're actually bringing a press shop. It's their first press shop in all of North America. They're going to make this press shop for their X3 vehicles. They'll use this new facility to stamp sheet metal to make their new X3 vehicles. The next big update is something that's come with a lot of fanfare. They're going to have a retro style gas station that's Spinks, which is a local gas station here in our downtown. You probably are wondering, if you're not from here, why am I talking about a gas station in downtown and what makes that so special? Well, since it's going to be a retro concept, they're going to sell a lot of groceries there. We don't have a true grocery store in the main street of our downtown now. So this will be a really great way for people that live closer to downtown just to walk and grab some groceries. This will also be open till 2 a.m. So there'll be an eatery there. It'll be open at 5 a.m. for people who want to come in earlier. So this will really serve something that we just don't have in our downtown. We have just about everything else, but we haven't had this. So this will be something that's a really big welcome development. In the last few years, Greenville has developed Unity Park, which has been a huge hit with all the people that live here and even people coming to visit. What they're doing with Unity Park Honor Tower is they want to actually honor the first responders and our military members. This is going to be a monument that will be put up in 2025, really to honor those who have given so much for our local community and for our country. When the tower is fully built, it'll be 10 stories high. It'll be over 120 feet in the air. There's going to be a viewing deck, which should have some absolutely incredible views of the Blue Ridge Mountains, our downtown, and so much more. This is a really great development to honor those who've given so much, and also just for the community to have such a great resource and to really appreciate the beauty that is the upstate. If you're a reader like I am, you're going to really appreciate this next update. Second Story is open near Haywood Road. They're going to be a thrift bookstore that was opened by the Goodwill. They're offering books anywhere from $1 to $6. Most books are 90% off what you would pay for them retail. So this is going to be a great opportunity for those to find great books at a really great price. So there you have it. 4 really exciting updates are being brought to the upstate. I'm curious, leave a comment down below. Which of the updates are you most excited about?